Hi, my name is Cameron Murray, and this is my community conversation for Module 1. I am a German teacher at the Red Lion Area Senior High School. I have my Bachelor of Science in World Language Education from the Pennsylvania State University, and I'm currently pursuing my Master's of Ed in Online Teaching at Millersville. Just a few things about me. I have 3 brothers, and you can see them in the upper right picture. Bottom right picture is a picture of me with my family from Germany. They aren't actually my family, but I consider them my family. I visit them often. They were my first host family that I stayed with in Germany. On the left side, that's me with my girlfriend. I really enjoy photography and nature, so here's some pictures that I took. The upper right is the Perseid meteor shower a few years ago. Bottom right is a waterfall, and the left is a hummingbird. So just my love for nature is represented in these photos. And lastly, about me, I really like to travel, and these are some photos I took. The top right is a cloud over the Mediterranean Sea. The bottom right is from Heidelberg in Germany. And the left photo is a photo from Tübingen in Germany. Finally, the 7 strategies and how they relate to my teaching philosophy. First, I think involving students and creating a student-centered classroom is really important for me. So I think strategies 4 and 7 really strengthen that. Allowing students to self-assess and then kind of track their progress and create goals is a big help in getting them involved and really creating a student-centered classroom where they can learn and improve with intrinsic motivation and kind of help themselves to teach in a way. The second thing, improvement and learning. This is something I really like to focus on in my classes. I hate the idea of always focusing on grades and trying to reach a certain level that someone said you have to meet. That can get really stressful for students, and I think I really like to focus on improvement for them. The more we improve, the better we are, and eventually you will reach those goals, but if you focus on improving, I think that's a great step. So strategies 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, I think all kind of focus on that improvement and learning. So the 7 strategies here are very beneficial and supportive of my philosophy. The next one is informative feedback. Obviously, formative assessment and the 7 strategies of assessment are going to help here. But strategies 3 and 6 I thought were very particular for this, important. So the informative feedback is something I like to have as a teacher, specifically for language. The more they know specifically what they need to improve, the better they will be. Next is authentic, individually beneficial learning opportunities. And strategies 4 and 7, again, similarly to the first bullet point here, are helpful. I like my students to feel like what they're learning is really going to benefit them and help them in their future. And lastly, teacher as a guide or support. And strategies 1, 4, and 7 all help with this, to kind of keep students on the front of learning and the teacher just there as a support. Thank you.